Technical Excellence project. Atlantis Corridor My City System. The Atlantis Corridor My City System was submitted by HHO Africa. The Integrated Rapid Transit Infrastructure Project, with a budget of 800 million rand, was commissioned by the City of Cape Town with the objective of designing a quality and car-competitive public system. The pilot phase comprises 16 kilometers of dedicated bus lanes, 13 purpose-built BRT stations, and 16 signalized intersections. Anglo-American Thermal Coal's New Denmark Colliery project. Gold Associates Africa submitted the design and construction of a 150 million rand brine pond for Anglo-American Thermal Coal's New Denmark Colliery project. The pond, which serves as a solution for the disposal of the mine's brine waste stream, required a footprint of 22 hectares. The project, which would ordinarily take 12 months to complete, was completed in just 7 months. Bayhead Road project. Oricon submitted the Bayhead Road project. The conversion of a 2,500-meter stretch of road from a 2-lane to a 4-lane dual carriageway was commissioned by the Transnet Capital project in order to accommodate increased traffic, resulting from a new container terminal. The project was finished on time and within its 247 million rand budget. SA Fiber Optic Cable project. UWP Consulting, along with SRK, Nimai and Civus MCOP submitted Phase 1 of the SA Fiber Optic Cable project. The client was Fiberco, and the budget was 470 million rand, managing 40 active working fronts and 1,700 site personnel along 1,000 kilometers. Construction was completed in less than 18 months, a record for SA Fiber Optic projects. The improvements to the Dr. Chotamutala interchange on the N3 was submitted as a joint venture project by Elisa Consulting and Oricon for Senro. The widening of the road from 4 to 6 lanes was fraught with unforeseen challenges that caused the budget to increase from 300 to 440 million rand and delayed completion by 8 months, and 0 construction-related accidents occurred. Biogas to electrical energy upgrade. Zitolele Consulting, Golda Associates, and WSP Industrial submits the Northern Waste Water Treatment Works biogas to electrical energy upgrade and retrofit. The over 100 million rand project commissioned by Johannesburg Water included improved digestion of sludge, maximization of methane production, cleaning and use of biogas for cogeneration. It is the first utility in South Africa to make use of the groundbreaking technology. Sewer Micro-Tunneling Project. Hedgegoba and Drennan submitted the Mahatma Gandhi Road Sewer Micro-Tunneling Project. The client was eThekwini Municipality, and the 20 million rand project required 250 meters relocation of a pump station and extension of a sewer by 221 meters. The fact that the sewer runs 6 meters beneath Mahatma Gandhi Road and 4 meters below the water table posed some challenges. Rehabilitation of Hanger Street and Harvey Road. Royal Haskoning DHV submitted the rehabilitation of Hanger Street and Harvey Road, a project commissioned by the Mangaung Metropolitan Municipality. The roads, which are important bus and taxi roads, were in need of rehabilitation. The use of environmentally friendly techniques and resources meant that the original budget of 22.6 million rand could be used to also rehabilitate an additional 435 meter section of Harvey Road. St. Helens Rock Pump Station. Royal Haskoning DHV submitted the overhaul of the St. Helens Rock Pump Station in Port Shepstone. The client, Ugu District Municipality, commissioned the upgrade in order to cater for the growing rural and peri-urban communities of the South Coast. After an investment of 83 million rand, the guaranteed supply has been increased from 54 megalitres per day to a pumping capacity potential of 108 megalitres per day. Price and Hoy Street Underpass. SMEC South Africa submitted the construction of a road underpass between Price and Hoy Street in New Clare. The client, Johannesburg Development Agency, needed to link Price and Hoy Streets for the Rea Vaya BRT system to pass underneath the railway line without interruption of the rail service. Construction took 18 months with a completion value of 30 million rand. The greening of KwaZulu-Natal roads. Naidu Consulting submitted the greening of KZN's roads, a 35 million rand project commissioned by KZN Department of Transport. During construction of a 5-kilometer section of the R102, 100% of reclaimed asphalt was used in the BSM base course layer. Compilers of TG2 manual intend using this project as an example of the correct design and construction of BSMs. Medupi Power Station. Eskom Group Technology Civil Engineering submitted the Medupi Power Station project, commissioned by Eskom Holdings SOC. This erection of a 4,800 megawatt, 6-unit coal-fired power station is one of the 5 biggest build projects in the world at around 8 billion rand. It is designed to have a retrofit flue gas desulfurization plant, uses dry cooling systems and employs directly and indirectly more than 40,000 workers. Amco Pipe Arch Culvert. Naidu Consulting was approached by the KZN Department of Transport to effect the rehabilitation of an extremely deteriorated Amco Pipe Arch Culvert on the road between Greytown and Moy River. An innovative design using horizontal bracing and the old culvert as permanent shuttering saw the job completed in 3 months at a cost of 1.4 million rand, a saving of 4.2 million rand had conventional methods been used. Umtavuna Water Supply Scheme Upgrade. SSI engineers and environmental consultants submitted the Umtavuna Water Supply Scheme upgrade. The Ugu District Municipality had been struggling to meet increasing demands on water supply to KZN South Coast and commissioned SSI to upgrade the river pump station and link it to a mountain-top storage dam. The 61 million rand project was completed in less than 2 years and without interruption of water supply to users. Chelumnyama Pedestrian Bridge. SMEC South Africa submitted the Chelumnyama Pedestrian Bridge. Central commissioned SMEC to construct a bridge that would allow Chelumnyama residents to cross the N3 safely. The design had to anticipate future widening of the road, so no support on the median was allowed. The project cost approximately 7 million rand and was completed without cost overruns or variations in major quantities. Underpass roadworks. Hoy, Griffith and Eric Streets. HHO Africa submitted the underpass roadworks rehabilitation of Hoy, Griffith and Eric Streets. The 14 million rand project, commissioned by the Johannesburg Development Agency, included designing and implementing a robust pavement structure, introducing a stormwater system, improving pedestrian safety and traffic calming measures for the surrounding community. UNISA Florida Campus Project. Royal Haskoning DHV submitted the extension of the UNISA Florida Campus Project. The project with a value of 600 million rand was commissioned by UNISA. Due to the complexity of the building, including retaining walls, high design loads, a central service tunnel, and educational facilities with laboratory requirements, the design and construction team faced many challenges.